Hi, Doug Mealy here, use of force specialist, soft restraint kit expert. This week I'm in Texas as a keynote speaker at the inaugural launch of the IAHSS Central Texas Chapter Educational Symposium. Met some great people, discussed how the soft restraint kit benefits other countries, and now school resource officers, soft cuffs are an ideal option for them. They enhance student safety. Unlike metal cuffs, soft cuffs are made of fabric and composite, so they reduce the risk of injury, provide a more comfortable restraint option. Secondly, they help maintain a less intimidating environment. The soft riparians can de-escalate tense situations and make students feel less criminalized. In healthcare, patients should feel like patients. Blue hook and loop material, it's not gangster, it's not the same as chains, it's therefore more 50p than 50 cent. They align with restorative justice practices, allowing officers to manage incidents in a more respectful way. Is it aggression and violence, or is it dysregulation, anxiety and overstimulation? Practical benefits include being machine washable, hygienic, durable. They're tested to ISO standards, legally, medically and tactically reviewed. And finally, they're going to reduce legal issues and excessive force claims, complying with non-violent school policies. So in short, soft cuffs are a more humane, more cost-effective solution for school resource officers, and we're proud to launch our school resource officer program. The good thing is, as officers already have use of force and handcuff competencies, the implementation is fairly straightforward. For more information, please follow the link in the comments.